Today, we're wrangling some Aoudad, so step into the wild with Ahrens Ranch and Wildlife. We're out here at one of our ranches in West Texas, and we do a lot of hunting out here, but we also have to manage these species of Aoudad. They're proliferating in these mountains and they're eating all of the grass. And so whenever we wrap up with our hunting season, we like to come in and take a helicopter and capture a lot of these rams and young rams and ewes to help reduce some of the numbers through the summer months. Today we've focused on primarily catching mature, older rams that are more marketable for the ranch. We've been successful in reaching our numbers. We wanted to shoot for about 30-40. We ended up with that today. And we got two helicopters running behind us. One is the net gunning helicopter and the other one has got the jumpers. Makes it a lot more proficient than just running one helicopter. And you know, we have to have better weather to do this. Yesterday we wanted to fly, but it was 40-mile-an-hour gust, not ideal in the mountains, causes a lot of updraft and thermals, so not safe for anybody involved. So today was more ideal. We got started early. We left the house at about 6 a.m. Got over here, got set up, got rolling, and really just been ideal all day up until now to catch Aoudad and do it, prolifically and proficiency for us and the animal. Got a great crew of guys, got a bunch of guys that are on the ground handling the trailers for us. Once the animals get in, they get slung in. Myself and a few jumpers, and then our net gunner in the air getting the Aoudad caught. So all around great production, and couldn't ask for better crew guys.